here on a site, and what we're going to do is to proceed to replace this filter with this one here that we just set it up inside a few minutes ago. Okay, and this is basically all mechanical, so there's not much to, there is a job to do obviously, but it's all mechanical. It doesn't have to do with software, it doesn't have to do with anything, and it takes a little bit of time because it needs to be done correctly, otherwise it can affect the performance of the transmitter, and it can affect the reflected power, and it can reflect a lot of things in the unit and the coverage, generally speaking. This is a unit that it's over, I would say, 12 years old. Originally it was analog, and then the unit was converted to digital. And it's working. Now what we're going to do today is that since it's been over 10 years, we need to start replacing parts, specifically the fans. The fans in the amplifier and the fans up here. They need to be replaced because it's been over 40,000 hours, which is the requirement, and that's how long they can work for. They're here right now. These are the ones for the top, and these are the ones going inside the amplifier. This is part of what we do. We got the boxes in, we got everything, we take care of everything. We do service, so it's not only about selling transmitters, it's also about providing service. And we don't only do it with Eletronika's equipment, we also do it with any other brand in the market, since we have engineers in our offices that are able to work basically in any kind of transmitter. So if you need assistance, you can just give us a call or email us, and we'll be able to happily we can help you.